YouTube. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing my new CPU all-in-one water cooler. So let's get into it. This is the box that it came in from Amazon. And it was very fast shipping because I just ordered it yesterday. And it got delivered like about 30 minutes or an hour ago. Alright, now that we have that out of the way, upHere design. Interesting. And here it is. The installation instructions, which we can toss aside for now. Oh, the fan. Everything that you need to mount it. And the radiator. All right. This is going to be a lot of fun. Alright, thank you for watching this unboxing. Like, comment, and subscribe, and now I'm going to try to put it in my computer.